Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you with another video in the 365 days of fish keeping series. If you don't know what that means for all of 2022, I am posting one video a day, highlighting a plant, a food, a fish, anything fish keeping related. These videos are going to be quick little snapshots of whatever the subject is for the day. If we're talking fish and plants, you're going to get a little synopsis and a care guide. Same for food and equipment or anything else really. I'm also going to give everything a rating from 1 to 10 based on my personal preference on the subject. And as always, thank you so much for all the support on the videos, but please, if you have not, remember to smash that sub button, and let's get into the video, everybody. For this video, I want to focus on one of my favorite species of Anubias, and that is the Anubias Coffeefolia. I'm going to put the scientific name here, but it's an Anubias Coffeefolia. In nature, it is found in tropical regions of Africa and will attach itself to rocks, driftwoods, or anything that it can get caught up on and slowly start to spread its roots. This Anubias is actually a common variant of the Anubias pateri, hence why it has pateri in its name, and it can get up to 12 inches in length. Now, the really cool thing about this plant, which makes it one of my favorite species, is whenever you see an Anubias, we typically think, it's a smaller plant, but I got to see a big one at the Keystone Clash in 2021, and it was large enough to fill almost an entire one of those specimen containers. It has the same typical living conditions of any Anubias, so it can do well in submerged, immersed, or even a terrarium setup if you're into that kind of thing. It's a very hardy plant and not too particular about the water conditions that it will grow in, which makes it a very good beginner plant. It has more like ruffle, like the potato chip ruffles, and oval-shaped leaves, and those leaves will sometimes have a darker coffee-ish brown color, especially when they're younger. And as they grow up, that coffee brown will turn to a nice, deep, rich green color. Now, as far as care goes, again, it's a super easy plant. It's going to like a low to medium strength light water. It can go anywhere from 68 upwards to 85 degrees. The highest I've kept mine was 82 in my African ciplet tank, and it does fine. pH range, again, anywhere from down to 5 all the way upwards of 9. So this thing can have a large range of parameters, and it's going to want a KH of anywhere from like 4 to 18. Also interesting to note, it's considered a much slower growing plant compared to others, but they can be propagated just as easily. You give the rhizome a little snip, make sure there's some rhizome and some leaves and some root there, and it's going to give you new growth. Now, of course, it being that rhizome-based plant, you cannot bury the rhizome part of it. That's at the base of the leaves before the roots, in between those two. That's the rhizome. You can't bury that or it will suffocate. So, when you go to attach these things, you can use things like fishing line, glue, or what I've started to do is I just find a slit in the driftwood or a rock or something, and I just kind of stick it in there. And then it'll slowly, naturally look like it's supposed to be there, and it'll let down some roots. So, something people might not realize about Anubias is, because it's not as pronounced, is that the Coffeefolia version will send a lot of roots and have an actual massive root structure here and actually bury itself in the substrate. As far as special treatments go, they don't require anything extra, so you don't have to worry about, all the extra plant stuff for some more in-depth plants, but wouldn't hurt to do a liquid fertilizer from time to time. Maybe get a little liquid iron once or twice a month. CO2 is never going to hurt it. And if you do notice yellowing leaves, that's usually a sign of lack of nutrients. So give it some liquid fert and some liquid iron. I use the co-op versions, that's Aquarium co-op, and they do just fine. They do not require CO2, but again, it won't harm it if you want to use some of that to give it a boost. So overall, I'm going to give the Anubias Coffeefolia, I'm probably saying that wrong, a perfect 10 out of 10 ram's horn snails, because I just really love this plant, and it's so easy that you would actually have to try hard to kill it. Anyways, as always, thank you all so much for watching and for the continued support on all the videos. If you have not already, please remember to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've kept this plant, if you've wanted to get this plant, if you've not on the fence about it. Let me know. And if you have not already, please remember to hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that sub button, stick around, maybe you'll find something else you like, and until next time, I will see you guys later.